It's Larry J. Feldman, owner of Career Changers USA. I want to talk about persuasion today. It's interesting. When I go around the country and I ask people, hey, when do you think you should start closing a deal? I get all these crazy off-target answers. I believe the right answer is when you say hello and you're introduced to somebody. The initial impression, those first 20 or 30 seconds, when you show that you're smiling and that you care and you're out there, make all the difference in the world. Scarily enough, a lot of people that think win-lose, I win, you lose, look around and go, gosh, I wonder why I'm not more successful. Well, how about looking in the mirror and realize what you're trying to convey? The more you approach people in a friendly manner and you're positive, the better effect you're going to get. Listen, people that look at customers and go, what do they want, or they're never going to buy, become the ultimate example of self-fulfilling prophecy. You think up front something bad's going to happen. Sometimes you will it into happening without even thinking about it. You have to be positive. Think of the title of Dale Carnegie's great and incredibly influential book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Notice the title isn't How to Trick People, Take All Their Money, and Hope You Never See Them Again. But that's how a lot of salespeople look at sales. They're not even interested in persuading. It's almost like you're bothering them by giving you their money. Or even worse, flip it around. It's really important to understand that if we're going to be persuadable, we need to be friendly. The great Abraham Lincoln said, if you want to convey an idea, first make somebody your friend. That's really the way to do this. We buy from people we like. And then when they see on top of liking us that we're trustworthy and we do what we say we're going to do when we say we're going to do it, you really can't lose. I often hear persuasion referred to as the art of persuasion. Well, that makes us artists. That means we have to paint a picture that conveys what it is that we're trying to sell, why it is we're trying to sell it, why it fulfills the needs. This is how you persuade people. You listen, you compromise, you adapt, you make it really clear. Boy, am I glad you're here. How many times do we deal with salespeople that are grumpy? Again, it looks like we're bothering them. You think about how much easier it is to persuade you when you feel comfortable with the person and you actually like the person that's trying to sell you something. Look at the art of persuasion that way, as an artist trying to paint a picture that conveys exactly why you should do business with me. You'll be a lot more successful. This is Larry J. Feldman. Thank you for listening to my Larry Talk.